In this video, I'll show you how to change the login password on a Dahua NVR in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Access the NVR main menu. First, connect a monitor and mouse to your Dahua NVR. Right-click anywhere on the screen and select Main Menu. If prompted, enter your administrator username and password and press OK button to log in. Step 2. Open the account settings. From the main menu, click System. Then select Account Settings. Locate the user account you want to update, which is usually the admin account. Select the account and click Modify. Step 3. Change the password. Enter your current password. Then type your new password twice to confirm it. Choose a password that is at least 8 to 12 characters long. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters. Includes numbers and special characters. Avoids common words or easy-to-guess information. Once you've entered the new password, click Save or OK. Step 4. Verify the new password. To make sure the change was successful, log out of the NVR and sign back in using your new password. If you can log in successfully, the password has been updated. That's it. You've successfully changed the login password of your Dahua NVR. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.